Hello. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel we review more about skincare and haircare products. So today we are going to review more about a product called Honey Bee Face Cream. The Honey Bee Face Cream is a face and body treatment cream that is good for the skin. It contains lavender, carrot, and egg yolk. The Honey Bee Face Cream is a unique combination of finest ingredients to enhance treatment and repair your skin from unwanted skin condition like sunburn, acne, pimples, black spots, eczema, and skin rashes. With lavender content, it gives it more boost and potential to repair damaged skin tissue, to keep your skin health and smooth. How to use Honey Bee Face Cream. You will apply the face cream twice in a day, which is morning and evening, and you should apply it on the affected areas. Benefits of using Honey Bee Face Cream. 1. It clears sunburn. 2. It clears away acne and pimples. 3. It clears and prevent black spot. 4. It heals eczema and skin rashes. Note that Honey Bee Face Cream has no side effects. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe.